another telekinesis video. Today I'm gonna share my daily routine with you. I do to do telekinesis, but also to live a healthy life, which in many ways is the same thing. Anyways, let's start. I wake up every morning without an alarm. It's very important to me that I'm capable and able to wake up without an alarm. If you wake up with an alarm or any other disturbance, you will not be relaxed throughout the day. An alarm basically means that you don't get enough sleep. You would get enough sleep if you wake up naturally. For that, of course, I need a routine where I go to bed early enough so I have enough sleep. But we're gonna get to that later. Anyways, so I wake up without an alarm around 6:30, 7 a.m. in the morning. Very first thing I do is I have a glass of water right next to my bed and I drink it. Just one glass of water. I take it with me. I go to the bathroom and then I do what you do in the morning in the bathroom, and then I take this glass of water and get this glass, and I get me another glass of water. I drink it as well. At this point, I'm very well hydrated. I go back to the bedroom, sit down, and meditate for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how much time I have. But usually between 20 and 30 minutes. Sometimes longer, but usually like that. So I meditate. I do one of my personal guided meditation videos, or I just meditate myself, do the breathing, and then after the meditation, I get up, look after my kid, look after my wife, make sure everybody is fed and well. I don't eat breakfast. I only eat one meal a day, which is not at this point, because fasting is very healthy for your body. So I don't eat breakfast, and I do not drink tea, and I do not drink coffee. Very important, but I'm gonna get to that later. After that, I leave my home and I walk to work, which is a 20-minute walk. When I'm late, I'm taking the bus, but usually I walk. I get to work, I work in the bookstore, and I start working. Usually we have a lunch break at 1. At this time, I take my time to, because I don't eat, of course, I take my time to go on YouTube at work because I don't have internet at home, and either I upload a video or I go through comments and emails and answer those. That's what I do at lunch break at work. After lunch break, at 2, I go back to work and I continue working until 6. At 6, I either go buy groceries, or if I have groceries, I just go straight home. Again, I walk every time. That makes it 45 minutes of walking every day. And I think that's a very healthy amount. It could be more, but definitely shouldn't be less. When I get home, I sit with my family for about an hour. I call that quality time. I make sure everybody is okay. And then at around 7, when my kid goes to bed, I record a telekinesis video for you guys. And for that, sometimes I need my wife for. Sometimes I do it by myself, like today. And if I don't make a telekinesis video because I just feel like just practicing, or maybe I don't have anything important to say, I just put the camera away and I just practice telekinesis or aerokinesis or whatever kinesis I feel like practicing this day. But I definitely do that every single day. It's built in my routine, and I need this for my soul, for my body, for my mind. Otherwise, I wouldn't be very happy, and happiness is what we all want. So, either I practice telekinesis or I film a telekinesis video for you. When I film, I usually practice, I meditate for 20 minutes. I always start with meditation, do the breathing for 20 minutes. Then, depending on what I'm trying to teach, if it's something new I want to prepare, if it's something easy, it's of course not easy, but for me easier, like telekinesis with one of my pens is easy for me, then I don't need to prepare for that. I just see, okay, it works, okay, I'm gonna turn the camera on now, because having the camera on me is a lot of pressure. I'm still getting used to that. And when you're under pressure, telekinesis or other things don't always work that well. But that's something I practice and I'm getting better. Anyways, I do the telekinesis or the telekinesis video for about an hour. Then I put the card, the memory card of the camera on my desk so I won't forget it to bring it to work, because at work is where I upload the videos. Well, after the telekinesis, it's usually between 8 and 8:30. At this point, I'm very relaxed. And this is also the time, either then or before, but usually this is the time when I eat my meal. And I mentioned that in another video. I try to eat no sugars or carbohydrates. So what I eat is eggs, avocados, very low carb food, and some kind of meat. Chicken, steak, bacon. That's usually it. After I ate, I take a shower, make sure I'll be ready for bed, and then at 9:30, I am in bed and I read. It always depends what I read, but right now I am reading a book about healthy habits, because me too, I try to improve every day. So right now I'm reading a book about healthy habits and how to build habits. And I do that for like 30 minutes, and then I feel I'm falling asleep, and then I go to bed. That's my day, and I just have to tell you how important it is to not have coffee in the morning. Not having coffee in the morning and not having alarm to wake up. Those are two essential things which are so important for my healthy and happy life. You have no idea. When you drink coffee, you're not just getting more awake for the next few hours. No, coffee is in your system for 18 hours or more. That means if you drink coffee at 9 a.m. in the morning, you still have it at 3 a.m. at the next night. Do you understand? So you won't get healthy sleep. You will always be tired. And then if you're tired at night, you wake up on an alarm with this ringing in your ear. And then you're gonna be frustrated and grumpy. And this is a circle. You just repeat it yourself. And this is not how I want to live your life. And I recommend to you that you won't do that either. So no coffee and no alarm. If you can establish that in your life, I think you are gonna be on the right track to learn telekinesis, but also to have an amazing life. I can't stretch enough how important that is. But that's just my humble opinion. I don't want you to force you into anything you don't want. I'm just sharing my experience, my lifestyle, and my routine. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions about that, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. And I hope, for your own sake, you can implement a few of these things into your own life. Till then, stay clean, be healthy, be happy.